Life today is fast. We walk faster. We type faster. We eat faster. We work faster. We wait faster. Buy faster. And return even faster. That's when things start spilling over. Someone had to give it a break. Kit Kat, a brand that's been championing breaks since forever, decided to step in and slow things down by doing the unthinkable. Kit Kat presents the slowest vending machine in the world. We placed it in one of Hyderabad's busiest business districts. Vending machines were built for our fast way of life, delivering a product in seconds, but not this one. For 3 minutes, it took every pack on a beautiful journey. People were so engrossed in the journey of the pack, they even put their phones away. When it finally arrived, the reaction was, well, beautiful.
3 minutes? That was a really fun break.
हमको पता ही नहीं चला.
Thanks for the break. For once I forgot about my phone.
People waited and didn't hate it. Turns out, a beautiful break is worth waiting for. Have a break? Have a Kit Kat.